In this video, we will show you how to overwinter your chili plant.
Happen, you won't believe it. Oh my god, Dad, watch out, watch out. My god, guys.
Chili plant and try to save it for next year.
Oh, it's so heartbreaking, Dad.
Oh, place them about halfway.
Give it a good... Hello and Assalamu alaikum. If you're new to our channel, I'm Akibullah.
I'm Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum.
In this video, we'll be showing you how to protect chili plants during winter months.
You must be wondering why we are shouting a bit, because we have so much wind around us. So if you can hear wind, it means we are in the fall season, and it's that time of the year that brings back a lot of memory. It brings back a lot of memory how we have grown these chili plants. From seed to seedlings to harvesting. Now it's time to overwinter them. In this video, we will show you how to overwinter your chili plant. Overwintering your chili plant can be very rewarding. Last year, we've overwintered about 12 chili plants, and we had amazing result. From the month of April, we've been harvesting our chilies. When other people had their chili plant up to this stage, our chili plant were flowering and producing chilies. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for our future videos, so you don't want to miss any of our future videos.
Watch the video till the end because you don't want to miss any steps. Without further ado, let's start overwintering chilies. Dad, what chili plant should we overwinter first? We have more than 100 chili plants.
Okay, shall we start with our largest chili plant?
Yes, I think we should start with our largest chili plant.
Okay, we'll have to go to the greenhouse then.
Yes.
We had more than 200 chili plants. We still have about 125 chili plants left.
Dad, guess what happened? You won't believe it. I can't. My words aren't coming out. I'm speechless. Look at our chili plant. The branch is broken.
Oh my god! Look at this branch. This is, by the way, this is one of our largest chili plants.
Yeah, it gave us more than 500 chilies, Dad.
And this plant alone giving us more than 500 chilies.
Oh my god, I'm so speechless right now. Look at all our chilies on this branch, and it's now broken.
Okay, you want to get this chili branch out slowly, the other way?
Uh-oh. Guys, this is so heartbreaking. Look at this.
So this is just one branch of that chili plant. And look how many chilies we have on that branch alone.
We got a lot of chilies on this branch, guys.
I think we have to save this chili plant because this has produced a lot of chilies for us, yes?
Yeah. I'm so sad.
This is a Naga chili plant. It's one of the hottest chilies in the world. It originates from the Sylhet region of Bangladesh. And by the way, this is not a plant, this is a branch of that chili plant.
It looks like a plant though, Dad.
It does. It has so many chilies on them. Okay, Akib, should we see if we can manage to bring that chili plant outside for us to overwinter?
Yeah.
It's gonna be very sad, Akib.
I know. It's gonna be really heartbreaking, Dad. We're gonna have to cut
we have to try to save this chili plant.
But it's so sad. I don't want to see our chili plants all cut up and all our chilies and leaves gone.
But Akib, hard decision has to be made in order to save this plant.
Yeah, I know, Dad. But it's gonna be really
heartbreaking. Okay, let's try to get this out.
But
okay?
Dad, let me tell you something. Do you know how long we've been saving, looking after these chili plants
Over 8 months.
Yeah, it's so heartbreaking.
But never mind, it'll come back again next year.
Yeah, guys, if you can't tell, the weather is really bad. It's starting to rain right now.
It's going to be a task to get this out, okay?
I know, it's a really... Oh my god,
this
guys.
This chili plant, Akib, has more than 500 chilies on them. Guys, you need to see this.
Look how big this chili plant plant is... Oh my god, Dad, watch out, watch out.
Okay, I need help.
Okay, Dad.
Look at this chili plant.
Oh my god, look how big it is.
Alright, let's see if I can manage.
Dad, it looks like you're stuck in there.
Hold on. I don't want to break any more. I want to show everyone. Okay.
Look at how bushy this is, guys. Oh
Dad.
my god, look. Uh-oh.
Oops.
Dad, watch out.
Okay. Move. Step back. Okay, step back. Step back.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Whoa, my god.
Guys, look at this chili plant.
Oh my god, guys. It looks like a...
more than 500 chilies on this.
It looks like a monster.
I haven't been showing you this plant for a long time, but we kept the best for the last.
Oh my god, this is so tall, Dad.
Oh wow, Akib, look at this chili plant.
I know, Dad, it's massive.
Shall we first harvest all the chilies?
Yeah, I think that would be a good idea.
And then we will show people how we would overwinter this plant.
Yeah.
To maximize our chilies for next season.
Yes,
Oh
Dad.
wow, my god.
The branches are so tall, Dad.
I'm so pleased with this chili plant. It's so amazing to see all those chilies on them.
Yeah, I know.
It is sad that we'll have to
Cut them.
prune the chili plant in order to save it. Okay?
Okay, Dad.
Alright, let's start harvesting the chilies.
Yes. Dad, what chilies should I harvest? Only the red ones?
Akib, harvest all the chilies because we are going to prune the plant.
Oh, okay.
We're going to reduce it to a few inches, so harvest all the chilies.
Okay, Dad. We're going to be making, with these chilies, we're going to be making lots of naga pickle and chili sauce. So make sure you watch our next video because we'll be showing you how to make homemade naga pickle. Sting.
This is a lot of harvesting. We have so many chilies. You'd be so surprised to see all these chilies in this plant. And this is just one plant.
I know, Dad.
We had a fantastic season for chilies this year. Well, in fact, we have a fantastic season every year, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
If you have been following our videos, and if you've been watching our videos and following our steps, you would have done well. But it's so sad
I know we have to.
that we're going to have to prune this chili plant in order to save it.
It's going to be so... Basically, it's torture for me because I love to see my chili plants and I'm going to be so sad when... But we have to do to save our chili plants, Dad. We have to do what we have to do to save our chili plants.
Yes, in order to save, we have to prune the plant. Wow, look at this.
Dad, remember to not to scratch your eyes.
Guys, don't forget to wear gloves when you're harvesting chilies. But we ran out of gloves, the thin gloves, so we will wash our hands. Okay, don't rub your eyes.
I'm not.
Oh wow!
I know, Dad. I'm so happy right now. No, I'm not actually. I am over the moon.
Simply amazing. More than 500 chilies.
For one plant, Dad.
One chili plant.
And we still got 100 more chili plants to go.
Now, Akib, let's do the difficult part. Let's prune this chili plant and try to save it for next year, so we can double our chilies.
Yes.
Shall we do that?
Yes, Dad. We have to do what we have to do to save our chili plants. Okay, guys. This is the difficult part. This is the heartbreaking part. We have to reduce the size of the chili plant like up to here. This is the main stem. It has 4 side stems coming out. This one broke off as I showed you before. I'm going to be cutting it right above the leaf node around here.
Okay, make sure you cut it at an angle. And
okay.
Cut it above the leaf node.
Okay, Dad. Is this a good place to cut it?
I can't see it. Is that above the leaf node?
Yes, it is above the leaf
okay,
node,
cut
Dad.
it at an angle.
Okay. Oh, it's so heartbreaking, Dad. It's so heartbreaking. My speech is not coming out. We took care of this plant. Now we have to chop it
We've
off.
taken care of this plant over, I think, 9 months.
Yes, it's so
sad, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry that it's going. It's giving us so many chilies. But it has to be done, Akib.
We have to save this plant, Dad.
We'll come back again next year.
Yes.
So let's cut the other stems off.
Okay.
Is that the same over that leaf node?
Leaf node, yes.
Over this leaf node here.
Okay,
and cut it at
Dad.
an angle.
Oh my god, look at how tall it is. It's so sad to cut your chili plant. I'm so heartbroken right now. But we have to do what we have to do to save our chili plants. There we go. Oh Dad, look at our chili plant now. This is so heartbreaking. Look at it. There's nothing on it.
This was a I think 5.5 foot chili plant.
No.
Nearly 6 foot tall plant, and now it's reduced to about half a foot.
This is so depressing. We have no leaves or chili plants on here.
Actually, I think you should take that couple of leaves off.
Yes, we should.
Now, during winter month, the chili plant doesn't need a lot of energy. It goes into a dormant stage. Basically, we'll be sleeping for a few months.
Yeah.
Before it wakes up. Now we don't need a big pot such as this. We need to put this in a smaller pot so that this can go on the windowsill, or if you're growing under a grow light.
Okay, Dad, but look at our chili plant now, Dad. It's not right. It's just not right. Like before, this used to be our largest chili plant in our garden, but now look at it.
Oh wow.
All the branches and stems.
But look how many chilies it has given us just by one chili plant. Over
Yeah,
500 chilies.
There's more than 500 chilies here, Dad.
Okay, so I'm going to be changing this plant into a smaller pot. We don't need a large pot this size because it's quite difficult to keep them in your house, and the plant doesn't need a lot of energy during dormant stage. So basically this plant is going to go to sleep for a few months before it recovers. So I'm going to cut the root ball to make it into a smaller root ball so that it fits into that small pot. Oh wow, from 6 foot plant to a few inches.
It's so sad, Dad. Like
now remove some soil from the root ball. Okay, so that it reduces to smaller size, so it fits into this small pot here, so it can go into the windowsill. So we're using a small pot. Make sure you have drainage hole at the bottom of the pot, and maybe add some pebbles, about ½ inch. Now I'm using just ordinary normal compost which I bought from B&Q today. I'm going to be adding a handful of perlite. Add a handful of perlite. That is good for drainage. Give a little bit more. And a handful of vermiculite. Mix it all together. Now we're going to be adding some fish blood and bone. Now the plant doesn't need a lot of fertilizer during the dormant period, but we're going to put some slow release fertilizer so that when the plant needs it, it's there for it. Okay.
so, Dad, you put a handful of fish blood and bone, perlite, and
vermiculite.
oh, okay.
Okay, so now I'm going to mix it all together.
I haven't started. No.
Add some soil into the potting hole in the pot. Now we get some soil into the pot. Now we're going to place the root ball in the center, and we're going to fill it up with compost. They should keep it dead straight on the center. Oh wow, look at this.
That
The 6 foot tall chili plant reduced to 6 inches. Now it's time to give it a good drink. Now what I've done, because the plant has gone through transplant shock, I'm going to add some Epsom salt into the water. For every liter of water, add 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt. I've already added the Epsom salt in the water. Make sure you mix it properly. I'm also going to add half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon powder. It helps with the root. Plus, it will keep the insects and pests away from your indoor plants. So with all my indoor plants, I use cinnamon powder, about half a teaspoon per plant. During the dormant period, it doesn't need a lot of water. Perhaps maybe give water once every 2 weeks. Not too much though, just keep it moist. During the sleeping, it's going to go to sleep for the next 3 months. So it doesn't need a lot of water, doesn't need a lot of energy. But just keep the soil moist without watering too much.
Oh, Dad, wait. I love watering, so can I water the plant, please?
Okay, you can do the water.
Okay, thanks, Dad. Give it a good drink. Guys, remember to put a tray under your pot so it doesn't ruin your windowsill. Just like this, and now we can put it on our windowsill. It's now ready. Put it on your windowsill, preferably south-facing window, so it can get lots of sun.
So, okay, we've got 100 more chili plants to overwinter. Shall we overwinter this one?
Yes, we might as well, Dad. Let's
look at the amount of chilies we have on this one as well.
Yeah, and they're really big as well, Dad.
This one doesn't have as many chilies. The other one, we had it on a self-watering in the greenhouse, and it done fantastic. Just in case you missed some of our videos, how we grow our chilies at Ali Raja, Bagan UK. You don't want to be missing any of them. We made so many videos. We're giving you tips how to grow them. We've shown you how to grow chili plants from A to Z. We will leave all the videos up here. Just click the eye up here and you'll be able to get to those videos.
Or we'll leave the link in the description down below. So please don't forget to check those videos out.
Look at the size of these chilies.
These chilies are really big, Dad.
Yeah, these we grown outside. The other one was inside the greenhouse.
Inside the greenhouse, yeah.
Oh, look at these. Okay, don't feel sad. They'll come back next year.
But Dad, it's just so sad to see our chili plants like that. Like we have no chilies on it, no leaves or anything.
Now we're going to collect all the chilies from these branches. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and you find some value watching our video. If you do, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each time we upload a video.
As you know, sharing is caring. Please don't forget to check out my second channel, Akib's Fun TV. I make very interesting vlogs.
And the next video we'll be making lots of Naga chili pickle. Akib's gonna make his favorite chili pickle. Look out for that video. Stay safe out there. This coronavirus is affecting many of us around the world. Please stay safe. Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum. And I'll see you in the next one.
Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.
Saki, we've got 100 more things to do. Are you up for it?
Yeah, I'm up for it. Are you, Dad?
Yes, I'm up for it. We have to see most of our chili plants.
Yeah, but our garden's going to look kind of weird without our chilies.
I know, but we'll come back next year again.
Yeah. I'm going to miss our chilies.